Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So, you've just uploaded your latest masterpiece to YouTube, but the thumbnail isn't quite what you had in mind. Don't worry, changing your YouTube thumbnail after you've uploaded it is a breeze. Let's jump onto the computer. First things first, head over to your YouTube studio. Once you're there, click on Content, and select the video you want to spruce up with a new thumbnail. Here's the one I'm gonna work on. Scroll all the way down until you see thumbnail. Now, those auto-generated ones by YouTube? Yeah, let's not use those. Click on Options, and then hit Change. Find the thumbnail you want to swap in. This one looks good to me. Open it up, and very importantly, don't forget to hit Save up here. Trust me, it won't take otherwise. Once it refreshes, boom, there's your new thumbnail. And just to double check, you can always go back out and see it right there. Easy peasy, right? I hope this tutorial is now helpful. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.